Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to a Mac. So Apple makes it easy to wirelessly mirror your iPhone to a Mac using AirPlay and iPhone mirroring. But if iPhone mirroring is not working, then you can use a screen mirroring to mirror your iPhone to a Mac like I am currently using this. So you need to change few settings to use this feature. Just open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on General option. Then on the General page, find AirPlay and Continuity and click on it. Now go to Automatically AirPlay and make sure it is set to automatic. Once you do this, you just need to go to Control Center and make sure you have added this screen mirroring option or control, and once you have added this, just click on it, find your MacBook within the list and click on it to select that device. Once you select this, you can access your iPhone like this on your MacBook. While you are using a screen mirroring, for better connection, make sure your both devices are connected with same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on both devices. After this, once you use this feature, whenever you want to turn off, just access Control Center, click on Screen Mirroring Control and click on Stop Mirroring. So that's it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.